So brave heart and me proud of it. Society can't tell me how to live. Me still a naughty no matter how bad you condemn it. And God know me love to meditate up in the hills. So be proud of who you is, cause everyone have them life to live. And no matter what nobody want say, me still a go me the same rebel heart your revolutionist. Get out your way of a dream. Just go and work, your blessings are coming. And don't make nobody tell you nothing. Tell them so whatever your faith is just strengthening. Don't not afraid to be yourself, walking in God's righteous footsteps. Grow your natty bubba or wild, walking in the covenant of the Most High. Bad mind can't stop me now. Me broke every red light that make you as I am. The bravest and the baddest, me untouchable. Yes, me know you love me, and me love you too. Allow me, let me live me life. Do whatever the hell me like. And my life, bunker not to give me like. To give me like. All of them a fight but still do as you please. Living in love and past that misery. Run all who a judge, run all who a do misdeeds. Keep on that hustle and make money for your family. Get a youth, look at work, set up shop and see. The system just set up for don't pursue. Live life, hail Jah Rastafari if you please. Just do it. Bad mind can't stop me now. Me broke every red light that make you as I am. The bravest and the baddest, me untouchable. Yes, me know you love me and me love you too. Allow me, let me live my life. Do whatever the hell me like. And my life, bunker not to give me like. Not to give me like. So brave heart and me proud of it. Society can't tell me how to live. Me still a naughty no matter how bad you condemn it. And God know me love to meditate up in the hills. So be proud of who you is, cause everyone have them life to live. And no matter what nobody want say, me still a go me the same rebel heart.